Welcome. Today, we are working with Adobe After Effects. Let's go. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial with Flight Sim 205. Do you guys like my new intro? Let me know in the comments down below. Today I will show you how to make anything react to beats in your song. Do you guys remember watching, if you did, the two tutorials that I made for my audio spectrum? I explained how to do it, but at the time that I made those videos, I didn't explain nor know what types of graphs that I was using in the graph editor. So in my first audio spectrum tutorial, I showed you a value graph. And in the second tutorial I showed you a speed graph. So, to make anything react to beats in your song, convert your audio to keyframes by right-clicking on your audio layer and select Convert Audio to Keyframes. Now, open the effects inside the audio amplitude layer, and delete their left channel and their right channel, because you don't need it. You only need to focus on the both channels. Now, select on the layer that you want. In this case, I will select this audio spectrum layer. Now, press S on your keyboard to open scale. Next, press and hold on the Alt key and press this stopwatch icon. Drag this pickwhip tool onto the slider. As you can see, the audio spectrum bounces to the beat, but it is reacting in a 0 to 100 type of way. To fix that, go to this expression and you will see this part of the expression, which is open bracket, temp, comma, temp, and closed bracket. This is the value of the expression. Now, type, plus, open bracket, 100, comma, 100, and closed bracket. This allows your layer to react to your audio from its original size to double its size. Now, to make your layer only react to the kicks or the bass in your audio, press the graph editor, and make sure to have your graph mode selected to Edit Value Graph. Then, go back to the audio amplitude layer and select their slider layer. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. Then, press this stopwatch icon. Type this expression, ease, open parenthesis, value, then I will type in 0, 0, 0, 0, then closed parenthesis. I will explain what each of these values represent. So, the first two zeros basically tells you what range we are looking at, within the audio expression. We can tell it to only react from certain value to certain value. So, I will replace the first two zeros with 15 and 90. Now if I start with the range of 15 to 90, you see that the audio won't take any effect until the beat drops. The last two zeros explains, what do you want those ranges that you chose to be? So, I chose 15 to 90. Now, if I change the last 0 to 35, we will set a new limit, that 15 units and anything below it, is going to be 0 scale. And so 90 and anything above it will be the 35 scale. So, if you play it back, you can see that the audio spectrum only reacts to the bass in the song. You can make anything react to the audio amplitude using this given expression. Feel free to play around with this and get used to the controls of this expression. Now, pre-render the project, and see how you feel about your work. If you don't like it, then you can always go back and see what you need to change, in order for it to look better for you. This looks good to me. Now, if you think that you are done, and you like your work, then you can render it. You can always use my How to Render tutorial to help you with making your project render faster. I hope that this tutorial had helped you. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Thank you guys. Have a great day.